friend of mine asked me how to get rid of her Facebook business page. Let me show you the steps. So you can go to your business page, however you want to get to it, Burris Consulting. And then when you go to the page, you need to switch and act as the page right there. Switch into Burris Consulting page and start managing it. Switch now. So now I'm acting as Burris Consulting on the Burris Consulting Facebook page. Now go to settings. Under settings, go find access and control. Right here, access and control. Click on that. Delete the page and hit continue. These are the steps. Go to the page. Act as the page. Go to settings. Go find access and control. And then delete the page. And make sure you read this carefully and make sure it says deactivating or deleting your Facebook page. Because if you don't go to the page, this word right here is going to be account. And you don't want to delete your Facebook account. Maybe. Because the question was how to delete a Facebook page. Click on that. Click continue. Follow the prompts. And typically, unless you have something else going on, like an ad campaign or something like that, it should let the page go away. And then once you're done, go up here in the right-hand corner, switch back to you, and go back to regular Facebook. I'm Teddy. Hope this is helpful for you.